Well, we've seen a lot of new things since the COVID-19 pandemic began, but this next story might just take the cake. Drones that can detect COVID-19 symptoms from the sky. Emily McNamara spoke to the CEO of Dragonfly about how this new technology is being used.
Dragonfly is one of the oldest commercial drone manufacturers in North America and is now the creator of the pandemic drone. This idea came at the beginning of the coronavirus outbreak. The company says they wanted to create something that could collect real-time data day to day to help flatten the ongoing curve from the virus. The pandemic drone is used to detect overall average body temperatures and vital sign measurements of largely populated areas up to 400 feet away, but it doesn't stop there.
Now, the technology can also measure social distancing, and it can also measure mask wearing. So from a public policy standpoint, it can say, hey, how effective is our communication being in terms of are people wearing masks? Are we practicing social distancing?
The advanced technology used with these drones are the same used in the animal kingdom to help collect data on endangered species, so there is no facial recognition. It's also used on premature babies to monitor health and heart rate because experts say their skin is too sensitive for the stickers and can rip off. The technology collects data strictly used to gather demographic information on how risky an area is of contracting COVID-19 without reverting to a total shutdown again.
We have wild swings in decisions right now, quite frankly, because we just don't have the data to support anything else other than making, kind of big blanket decisions. The cost of shutdown is really quite minor to say what the cost of this equipment would be. So we really see this as, just part of the new norm.
Pandemic drones are being piloted right now in large cities across the U.S. and also internationally, with the mission of being the next step closer to better managing the virus and stopping transmission entirely.
What I actually envision us seeing in the future is that you'll see health reports just like you see weather reports. You'll be able to get a clear indication of, hey, should we be taking the family to Disneyland this weekend?
Reporting for 12 News, I'm Emily McNamara.